Hi there, I'm Mitch, the answer guy from Cavalier Plumbing. Today I want to talk about one of the most common calls we get, a kitchen sink that just keeps clogging up, no matter how many times you clear it. Sound familiar? Here's what's really going on. Kitchen sink clogs are almost always caused by one of three things: grease, food particles, or soap buildup, usually all three working together. Every time you rinse greasy pans, pour leftover cooking oil down the drain, or let food scraps slip past the strainer, that stuff doesn't just disappear. It slowly coats the inside of your drain pipe and builds up over time until eventually the water just stops moving. Here's a simple tip that actually works. Once a week, pour a pot of boiling water slowly down your kitchen drain. It's free, it takes 30 seconds, and it dissolves grease buildup before it becomes a real problem. You can also use a mixture of baking soda and white vinegar. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, follow it with half a cup of white vinegar, let it fizz for about 5 minutes, then flush it with hot water. That combination can break up light buildup and keep things flowing. Now, if you've already got a stubborn clog, try a plunger first. A good seal and several firm pumps can dislodge most basic blockages. If the clog is deep in the line and won't clear, that's when it's time to call us. A clog deep in your drain line, or a partial blockage in the P-trap under the sink, can cause slow drains, unpleasant odors, and even water backing up into the other side of a double sink. We can clear that quickly and make sure your drain is flowing the way it should. If you're in the Salt Lake Valley and your kitchen sink is giving you trouble, give Cavalier Plumbing a call at 801-277-7411. We're always happy to help. Remember, Cavalier Plumbing, reliable, professional, done right the first time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next answer video soon.